Okay, Hassan, what is the function of filter?
Filter is used to clean the water.
Can filtration stop the germs?
No filtration cannot stop the germs.
How can germs be killed in water?
Germs is germ is used boiling, adding chlorine in water.
How can water be made suitable for drinking?
Water can made suitable for drinking by adding chlorine in water and boiling.
Very good. Ayan, why are you wasting your time? No, I'm asking. Make a list of ways to live a healthy life.
Eating balanced diet, drinking clean water, and brush teeth twice a day, getting enough sleep, getting exercise.
Doing exercise. Okay. How are force and motion related? Explain.
Force is an act of pull and pull. Pull and push. It causes all motion. It causes an object to change position, change speed, and stop.
It can change direction. Change
speed, and
or stop. I cannot we walk easily on ice?
We cannot walk easily on ice because there is so little friction between bottom of our shoes and ice.
Define friction. In which direction does it act?
The friction
acts.
Friction.
The force that stops.
The force that stops.
बस मैं काम करना है।
ठीक है,
और मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ।
ठीक है, हम एक ही काम करेंगे। ठीक है, चलो बेटा, तबीयत ठीक है आपकी? Okay, you have to learn this question again. रीटेस्ट ये आपको नहीं आता सीखना, इसको मैंने यहाँ पे मार्क कर दिया। Namin, beta, bring your rough copy, rough register. What is machine and how does it work for us?
Machine, the thing that make our work easier is called machine. Machine that make our work easier by changing amount of direction of force.
Okay, Hassan. What is meant by gravity? On which objects does it act? The force
Which earth pulls everything towards itself is called gravity.
Very good example.
A ball thrown upward
returns
toward
the ground due to gravity.
It acts all on objects in universe.
What force do you use while writing?
We use a force of pull while writing.
Force of push while writing. What is the role of friction in writing on paper with pencil?
It helps. Force helps
to hold a pencil.
It helps the lead of pencil to stick on
to paper, which means
to stick paper which makes our writing visible.
After using pencil, why do we need to sharpen it?
After using pencil,
The tip becomes
the tip becomes smooth and
friction.
friction decrease. In order we need to
In order to increase friction,
we need to sharpen it.
don't make noise. Difference between weather and climate.
The daily condition of
Environment.
Atmosphere of location is called weather.
Climate.
Climate, the daily condition
The general condition
of an area is called weather.
Climate.
Climate.
What is the relation between climate and height from sea level? With the rise after 10 minutes. With the rise of height
And
from sea level,
from sea level, the climate becomes cooler and duration of winter season is increased.
why does climate change with distance from equator?
When we move away from equator, the climate becomes cooler due to more slanted sun rays.
Excellent. Why is climate of polar zone is very cold?
The climate of polar zone is very cold because there is more slanted.
Because sun rays are
more slanted here.
in which zone is our country located on the basis of climate? Explain.
Pakistan
is located
in mild zone,
temperate zone.
temperate zone,
As the climate
Pakistan has
mild.
mild zone, mild climate.
Learn this question again. आपको सही तरह से नहीं आता.
टीचर मैं उस दिन मेडल जीत के लाया.
Very good, very nice. Wow, so nice. A very big clap for Zenia and Anya. Very nice. Bring your diary work.